Today's recipe is ranch bacon chicken. It can be cooked in a crock pot or a casserole dish. First, start with 3 chicken breasts in your crock pot. Sprinkle ranch dressing seasoning. And then top with cubed chunks of cream cheese. Put the lid on. Cook on high for 3 hours if you want it done quickly, or on low for 5 hours. Mix the chicken. It doesn't need to be fully shredded. You still want a few chunks. Add 1 cup of cheese, a cup of bacon bits, and stir well. After you've done combining the ingredients and stirring it well, you can smooth out and add the final cup of cheese on top to be melted. I added some green onions for color, but you can skip that if you don't want it. Cover and let sit on low for 10 more minutes, and there you go. You have a delicious meal that can be used 2 ways. You can eat it as a sandwich on a bun, or you can serve it with rice. Enjoy!